How to reimage a MAXPRO NVR PE REV B. With the recovery DVD or USB inserted into the NVR, power on or reboot the unit and press F11 to invoke the boot menu. Input the BIOS password of either DVR4321 or capital RE1DVR, depending on the unit, and press Enter. From the boot menu, select the UEFI menu option for either the DVD or USB, depending on which media you are using. Once the recovery image loads, press Continue on the warning screen. The recovery method page gives you multiple options depending on the need for recovery. Clicking Advanced will show both options. Complete Reimage will wipe the primary system drive. This drive contains the C drive and Windows as well as MAXPRO. It will reimage just that drive, leaving the video storage drives untouched. The Factory Reset option will wipe the entire system, including the video storage drives, reinstall Windows and MAXPRO, returning the unit to its original factory state. To show the full process of what a system recovery can do, I will select the Factory Reset button, but this is most likely not necessary in most cases. Accept the warning that all the data will be completely lost by clicking Yes and accept the agreement. The reimage process will begin. Once it's completed, remove the DVD or USB drive and reboot the unit as prompted. Once Windows loads for the first time, you will be presented with two logins, Administrator and NVR-Admin. The default password for both of these users is password $123 with a capital P, but after the first login, Windows will require you to change it. Input and confirm your new password, then press Enter to save the changes. Once the desktop loads, allow for all of the scripts to run. This will take several minutes to build the environment. Scripts will run to start processes and to format and partition storage drives. When they are completed, Windows will prompt you for a reboot. Once the unit reboots, you will see the final scripts run and processes start up. It will prompt you one more time to reboot to complete the reimage. After the last reboot cycle, you can begin configuring the system as necessary and your unit has been reimaged. Explore our trainings and discover your potential. Go to HoneywellDiscoverTraining.com.